In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use mindmap in ClickUp. Let's get started by opening your browser and heading to the ClickUp website. Once you're there, click the Login button. Sign in with your usual details, then select the account or workspace you want to work in. This ensures anything you create lands in the right place for your team or project. With your workspace open, navigate to the project or task where you want to build your mind map. Look for the plus icon associated with that location. Clicking this opens a menu of creation options. From that menu, choose Whiteboard. Whiteboards in ClickUp are perfect for visual thinking, brainstorming, and mapping out ideas because they give you an infinite canvas and flexible building blocks. When your new whiteboard opens, you'll see a clean canvas. To speed things up, open the Templates panel. Templates are a great way to jump right in with a structure that's already laid out. In the search bar, type Storyboard. You'll see a selection of storyboard-style templates that lend themselves really well to mind mapping because they encourage a clear flow from a central idea to supporting details. Select the template you like, then click Apply Template. ClickUp will drop it directly onto your whiteboard, and you can begin customizing it immediately. Treat the center of the storyboard as your main topic. Click on the title to rename it to your core idea. From there, branch outward by editing the surrounding nodes. Replace the placeholder text with your themes, subtopics, or key milestones. If you need more branches, duplicate an existing shape or add a new node, then connect it with lines to show relationships. As you build, keep your map easy to scan. Use short labels, consistent colors for categories, and clear connections so anyone can follow your reasoning at a glance. Drag and drop items to rearrange the layout as your thinking evolves. Zoom out to see the big picture and zoom in to refine details. If you're collaborating, leave quick comments on nodes to capture insights without breaking your flow. Now, turn the map into a story your team can act on. Move from left to right or top to bottom to create a logical sequence. Start with the problem, branch into ideas, add steps or requirements, then highlight outcomes. This helps transform scattered thoughts into a coherent narrative. When you're satisfied, review the structure one more time to confirm everything connects back to your main idea. That's it. You've used a storyboard template in ClickUp whiteboards to create a clear, effective mind map.